Good day, pupils. Hope you are having a nice time. It's another time we are meeting to treat mathematics, and the topic we'll be looking at is time. But we'll be focusing more on telling the time at quarter hour. Now, when we are talking about time has an important aspect to do in human's life. It plays an important role in man's life. Everyone in life has been given 24 hours in a day. You see some people making it, they are very rich and well-to-do, while you see some people struggling to make ends meet. Why? This is telling us on how individuals make use of their time. So as a kid, you are growing to become an adult. I want to implore you that you should, anytime you have, make judicious use of it. Now the lesson. We are having a clock face now, but we'll be looking at telling the time at quarter an hour. Look at this picture here. This is a clock face. A clock face has number 1 to 12. It has number 1 to 12. The numbers represent hour and it also represents minutes. For us to have minutes, 1 minute, the second hand will rotate from 12 and it will go back to 12 for us to have just 1 minute. And also for us to have 1 hour, the minute hand will rotate, leaving 12 and rotating around, going back to 12. When it goes back to 12, we have 60 minutes, or we have o'clock. But in this lesson of today, as I've said earlier, we'll be focusing more on telling the time using quarter hour. When we are talking about quarter hour, that means we are dividing a whole into 4. When you have a whole, you divide it equally into 4, you have quarter. That means 1/4 of a whole. When you divide 12 by 4, you have 3. So 3, when the minute hand is pointing at 3, that is telling us that it is at quarter. It is at quarter, or when it's moved round to 9, that is quarter to. We have quarter past and we also have quarter to, but we want to deal more on quarter past in this lesson. Let's proceed. I want to show you a clock face that is pointing at quarter of an hour. Have a look. This is a clock face that is telling us that angle 90 can also be described as quarter of a clock. Angle 90 can also be described to show quarter of a time. Now, when we have a clock moving round, the minute moves round to 3. It's telling us that it is quarter after. Quarter after, quarter after, or quarter past. Let's look at this exercise. I said, when the long hand moves from 12 to 3, that's the minute hand, it moves from 12 to 3. And the short hand, which is the hour hand. The short hand represents the hour hand. The long hand represents the minute hand. When the long hand moves from 12 to 3 and the short hand passes the hour slightly, we say that the time is quarter past or 15 minutes past the hour. Have a look at this. Can you see now? The short hand is pointing at 2, just a little bit past 2. But the minute hand, which is the longer hand, is pointing at 3. We say here that it is quarter past 2 or 15 minutes past 2. I repeat, Here, the time shorthand is pointing at 2 while the longhand is pointing at 3. We say it is 15 minutes past 2 or quarter past 2. Do we get that? Let's proceed again. I say again that when the longhand has moved from 12 to 3, we say 15 minutes past 5. Let's have the look at the picture. See this picture now. The shorthand is on 5, just past 5 slightly, and the longhand is pointing directly on 3. We say 15 minutes past 3, past 5 or quarter past 5. We say 15 minutes past 5 or quarter past 5. Yes, I want us to do this exercise together. I say, what is the time? Where is the time now? Here comes the time. Now, the shorthand is pointing at 8, a little bit past 8, but the longhand, which is the minute hand, is pointing directly at 3. What is the time? The time is saying 15 minutes past 8. Is either you say 15 minutes past 8 or you say quarter past 8. You are saying the same thing. If you want to write it digitally, you write 18:15, 8:15. If you want to write it digitally, you write 8:15. Good. We still have another one to look at. I still ask again that what is the time here? Where is the time? Here comes the time to look at. Here, the long hand and the short hand is pointing at 3. The hour hand and the minute hand, they are all pointing at 3. What is the time here? We say 15 minutes past 3 or quarter past 3. 15 minutes past 3 or quarter past 3. Digitally, you write 3:15. Also, we can use various means of telling quarter past, but as I've said, that our lesson for today is focusing on past. Hope you will get that. I would be glad to have your response or questions on this topic before the assessment. I will assess you on this. You go to the Google form to meet your question. But before we meet, bye. Stay well.